Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. In this reading I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the reading I'm going to take out some advice cards for you from the universe. So let's get started. Leo's July 2021. Okay, so the obstacle for you this month is the devil energy, and at the back of the card of the deck we have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so the obstacle for you this month is the devil. So by this we can get to know that you might be in a place where you might be feeling very addicted to someone, or addicted to some kind of a thing, like who those people who smoke a lot, they are really more into that thing. Okay, if you drink a lot you are more into that thing. So this is more of an addiction kind of a thing which you are not able to get free from. You do not so I'm not seeing any freedom kind of a thing, but we will really check out some more thing for this thing, whatever this thing is. We are going to check out in more detail. And this can be addiction to a person as well, that you are trying to be away, or this person is trying to be away but you are not letting this person away, or this person is not letting you to be away from you. And that bond, you do not let anyone to leave. Toxicity is also coming up. Let's just leave it to the other cards. Okay, so in the past energies we have the Three of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune and the Ten of Swords. So there was a third party situation in the past. Everything was fine before, till the time the changes. It was like all of a sudden everything was so fine. You were so happy with this person. You might be even going to places. I'm also getting a vibe of you getting to know about your person, that your person is dealing with somebody else whom you already know, one of your friends. It can be a cheating kind of a thing, because I'm really getting strong betrayal energy. So it can be you, your friend, somebody has betrayed you in the past and you got to know about the truth. So the luck was on your side, and you, the hidden truth, whatever the truth was there, it was revealed to you. At present we have the Eight of Swords, Nine of Cups and the Five of Cups. Somewhere you show gratitude to the universe that yes, that has happened. It is whatever happened. It's positive for you, okay, somewhere, but you are not able to get free. So I'm really getting that this can be that energy with the devil, with the Eight of Swords, that you are not able to get free from that person or that situation. You want to come out from that thing, but you are not able to, because you are so much into that thing that you are trying. You're trying your best. You might be going through some to some therapist, psychologist, some kind of a counselor. You might be doing something a lot to get away from that person, but all in vain. So it's not happening. Okay, in the coming future, so we were talking about the release, and you will get that release in the coming future. So this is a beautiful thing which is going to happen. And if you are trying to get released, because this has come in the obstacle energy, so we can totally tell that you might be going through that situation where you want to get free, but you are not able to get free from that person or that situation. So that is why when you will try to work hard in this thing, you will be free. Okay, so let's now clarify. Before that, yes, the overall energy for you is the Ace of Wands. So this is that energy of that moment where you get to know, okay, what is right and what is wrong for me. Those ideas, those plannings in front of you, they all just come and something new is there. Okay, so you have, you know why you are trying to move on from this thing, because you have good plans for yourself in the future. You have plans, it's just you need to put those plans in actions now. Okay, so what is hidden from you is the High Priestess. This is that thing which was hideous in front of you, but it has already come up in light. So this can be that thing, that this is the overall, this is the hidden truth, hidden things from the universe, which the universe wants to tell you that yes, if you had that intuition that something was wrong in the past, yes, there was something wrong. The Emperor energy is telling me that you took control of that situation, you took some decisions, and then you finally just revealed all the truth. You just said goodbye to that thing. You are not going to invest any more energies in that thing. You are really happy for whatever happened with you. Okay, you are showing gratitude towards that thing, and this process is coming towards an end, or it is already ended for you. Okay, so let's clarify now in detail what is there for my Leos, please. All right, so tell me more about the Devil energy as the obstacle. Tell me more about the Devil, please. Six of Swords, Six of Wands, wow, and Wheel of Fortune. See, it's like you are working for it, but little by little, you know, one thing at a time. You are doing that taking small steps towards higher achievement, and that is why you are working on your goals. You are working on the things which will just let you be away from this toxicity in your life. Okay, so that is why you are working. You are really going slow, but yes, you are working for that thing, because at the end the Wheel of Fortune is here. So this is telling us that whatever you are working for, you will be the one who will actually get the fruits for whatever you are doing. Okay, so tell me more about the Ace of Wands energy as the overall energy of the situation. The Sun, Three of Cups, and the Fool. Wow. So this new thing, so the cards which I am getting, the zodiac which I am getting from these cards are Capricorn again, Virgo, Aries, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries again, and what else do we have? We have Cups energy again. So we have the water signs, we have Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces more. Strong Leo energies are coming up with the Strength and the Sun. Okay, and the Fool, the Aries is also here. So strong Aries and Leo energies are here. Okay, so this can be, the Leo energies is very fiery, you know, it's always you. Okay, so Leos, so whatever this decision was, okay, so whatever this thing was, this Ace of Wands is coming up. So this thing which has come up in light for you, you are really showing gratitude towards that thing, because this was hidden, this was in the dark, and now when you know about that thing, you are really showing gratitude, because this was somebody from your relation. It can be a person you might have already known, a person as a good friend of yours, and that is why you got cheated from this person, because you have known them from past so many years or months. You know, you were like buddies. Okay, but that's the thing, when you are done with this thing, you are done. Okay, so let's see what are the energies now. So tell me more about the Ten of Swords in the past energies, please. What is this Ten of Swords? So we have the Six of Cups, we have the Magician, and we have the World. All right, so yeah, okay, so this thing from the past, it was really hard for you. I think this is already hard for you at present as well. You are working for going away from this energy, but it is somewhere, it is hard for you, somewhere or the other. It is really hard for you. It is becoming, because of the betrayal, because of that deception which you have felt. It was not good experience, not at all. And so you took that decision in the past only. You took it like, I have to do something for myself. I'm not going to wait for them to ditch me, or this person to ditch me. I'm going to just be like, okay, so everything is done, everything is fine, because the process is already ended in the past energies, already ended. So this thing was never meant to be with you. Whosoever this person is, whatever situation was, it was never meant to be with you. Okay, so let's see. I want to know more about this Eight of Swords energy in present. What is this Eight of Swords energy at present? Tell me more about the Eight of Swords, please. Seven of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the King of Wands. Wow. You know what this is telling me? At present, you are dealing with a situation where you are not able to get free. You are feeling that you are in the cage, you are not free. And that is why the reality is, that actually what you need to do, you have to stand up for yourself. You need to take some decisions. You need to take some charge of your situation, because the King of Wands, it clearly tells us whenever this comes, that you need to take that charge. Whatever you are going through, no one will take that situation. No one will do anything for you. Why should anyone? Okay, so you are trying to block people. That is really good. If you are trying to block the negative energies coming towards you, that is fine. But if you are feeling this way, that you are actually in a prison or in a cage, that kind of imprisonment feeling, that is not exactly what it is. Okay, so you are feeling that way, but exactly you can get free from this thing. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Five of Cups at present. We have the Page of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Wands, and the Moon. So these things of the past have put you so much in burden that you have gone very silent. This can be a situation where you are deeply depressed about this thing. At present, you want to leave everyone. You are moving forward, everything, that is fine, but you are strongly and deeply affected by this thing, and you have gone in silence mode. You are more hideous now. You might be planning some things, you might be into something new, but you are hiding. Okay, so it's like you are hidden. You are trying to figure out the situation in a hidden way. That is why you are not coming up in front of the world, in front of the people, and you're working it alone, on it alone. So let's see why the Strength energy is here in the coming future. Tell me more about the Strength, please. King of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Wow. So this is some situation for which you are waiting for. I'm really getting that you want to move on, and you will move on because of the Six of Swords and the Ten of Cups in your future energies, that you are going to do. You are taking charge of your life in the coming future, in the month of July only, and you are doing it in a very strong manner. You have that inner strength in you. Okay, you have become very dreamy. So sometimes dreamy is good. Sometimes you just want to perceive new things, you want to achieve new goals, and you do it in a very dreamy manner. Just expect some kind of an unexpected thing to happen in your life with this Page of Cups, and you are trying to investigate more into a situation. You have become more informative, and that is why the thing is, the new mature energy is coming your way. Okay, so this is very beautiful energy which is coming your way in the month of July, my dear Leos. Let's just get some clarity in the advice from the universe. Let's see the advice. What is advice from the universe for my Leos, please? Advice. Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. Okay, so the advice from the universe is just expect something new, some kind of a new communication, new journey, new relationship, because you need to be happy at the end. Okay, try to collaborate with people, try to be informative, try to be social. Okay, so these things will actually, they are fading away in your life. These are not going to last forever. So whatever is coming up in your life, just grasp it, okay, and enter into this new journey of love, of new beginnings in your life. Okay, something is coming up, because these endings are coming towards an end, final end. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.